November 2021, I started painting women with wings. I had a strong gut feeling that that's exactly what I'm supposed to paint, but back then I didn't know why yet. February next year, me and my fiancé were in Mexico, planning to stay there longer and possibly to establish our lives there. But suddenly news spread, war in Ukraine. I was devastated. I knew we need to go back to Europe to help my family and friends who were able to flee the country. March 2022, back to Germany. In all of this madness, I started to think back to the pieces that I painted, and their names were just ringing in my head over and over again. Fortified, We Are the Kingdom, Wings of the Dawn, Refuge and Strength. Those paintings I did back then were highly prophetic. I painted hope, beauty and refuge before it was needed. I was very happy that we got to help my family and friends to find an apartment for them, got them into the German system, providing all of the support they needed. But still, I was really sad and brokenhearted about the thousands of people losing their lives, my country being destroyed. It was really hard to start painting again. And like many other Ukrainian artists, I was really tempted to start painting darkness, pain and suffering. But I didn't want this to become my legacy. It's already enough pain out there. I want to paint hope and future, believing light will overcome the darkness and better days are ahead of us. I started making the biggest piece of my whole career, more painting the stork-winged woman and sunflowers. All of the symbols of Ukraine, and for me a symbol of purpose and beautiful story of our nation and each of us as individuals. Because Ukraine has a big destiny. It's not just out there to be destroyed and for the people to suffer endlessly. There is hope, and restoration can sometimes happen faster than we think. That is the message that I want to display in my art. I want light and beauty to be in every house around the world. That's why today we are not only launching new originals, but also my very own fine art prints. They are made on museum-quality glicky paper and will last you a lifetime. If you also want to fight on the front lines of culture and want to enlighten your home with hope and beauty, please go to esserfranchuk.com to become one of the first proud owners of art that advocates for a brighter future.